Hello there. So you just bought yourself the A53 5G and alright, it's a cheap phone, but you still want to make sure you can protect it. So I've been trying out all the latest Samsung official cases for the phone. A link to all the cases that I've used are down in the description below. Cheers. So, what's your favourite case? For me, it's the protective standing cover. I really like the look of it. It's a decent level of protection to the phone, and it's got the kickstand. Thanks for watching. Links to all the cases are down in the description below. And until next time, cheers.